everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Clara. Today we're creating a beautiful Christmas card in Canva, and trust me, this simple design can actually make you money. A lot of people are selling cards like this on Etsy and earning really well. And there's one small design trick I'll show at the end that makes your card look premium, so stay with me. All right, let's jump into Canva and get started.
To begin creating your Christmas card in Canva, start by setting up your workspace. I'm using a canvas size of 1500 pixel by 2100 pixel, which matches a 5 by 7 inch card. Once your Canva editor opens, the first thing you should do is rename your document so it stays organized. With the setup complete, we can start designing. Begin by adding a round frame, go to the Elements tab, open the Frames section, and choose the circular frame. After placing it on the canvas, we'll decorate it by adding a bow on top. In the Elements tab, search for Christmas bow since I need a red bow. This one looks good, so I'll add it to the canvas. Adjust the bow neatly around the circle so it looks clean and centered. To make the bow appear like it's hanging, search for hanging bow and select an element that includes a string. I like the string element, so I'll add it. Place the string properly on top of the bow to complete the hanging effect. Now it's time to wrap text around the circular frame. Add a heading and type your main message. The default font doesn't fit the Christmas theme, so change it to something festive. Berkshire Swash works beautifully here. To curve the text around the frame, select the text, open the Effects panel, choose Curve, and adjust the curve slider until the text wraps evenly around the circle. After that, add a subheading to include your best wishes message. For this line, switch the font to Montserrat for a clean and balanced style. Then adjust the size and placement as needed. Make sure the entire design is aligned to the center so everything looks neat and professional. Now, to give it a festive Christmas feel, go to Elements, search for stars, and add the ones that complement your design best. Place them around the layout to give it a warm Christmas feel. With that, the front side of the Christmas card is complete. Next, add a new page to design the back side of the card. Here again, begin with frames. This time, choose square frames from the Elements tab and adjust them properly on the canvas. For consistency, copy the text from the front page to use as a base. Before continuing, the text from the front also needs some formatting, so convert it into uppercase and adjust the spacing and alignment to improve the overall look. Once the text style is finalized, paste it onto the back page and replace the content with your custom message. You may also add your name, and if you want a personal touch, include your signature as well. To finish the design, add a few more star elements so the backside matches the festive theme of the front. After placing and adjusting everything, your complete Christmas card mock-up template, both front and back, is ready to use.
Now let's turn it into a template you can sell online. Click the Share button on the top right. Then choose Template Link. This will create a link that lets people open your design as a template. So when they download it, they'll see it ready to use. Here's a simple pro tip. Make one nice showcase image for Etsy. Then upload a single PDF for your buyers. In that PDF, add a download button and paste your template link inside it. This way, people can easily get your template after buying it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm sure you'll create many more templates using this method. If you want to use this exact template or buy it, you can visit our website and download it anytime. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow.